Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Megan with Simply Megan Plans, and this video I am decorating with the Apricot and Sage sticker books. They are so adorable. I've been hoarding them for the perfect week, and I feel like the week of my very first Mother's Day is the perfect timing. So I honestly, I cannot wait. I've been looking forward to using these sticker books for so long, and it's so crazy that this is going to be my first Mother's Day. It's so exciting, and I'm so excited. So I started with the corner with like alternating corners with these cute corner pieces. I don't know how else to say it, but they're all layered over top of each other, and I wanted those. I feel like they really stick out, and because they're so big, it made me worried that I wasn't gonna have enough room because it is quite a busy week, a lot of stuff going on, a lot of stuff to write down, but they're also really easy to layer on top of. I can still put boxes on them and use that area to write things. So then once I came up with that idea, then it wasn't, so daunting. I wanted to use this big circle, but the circle was really big. Also, because I didn't want to cut down on my space, I cut off the part that did not have any words. And I cut it a little bit wonky, so I had to put more of the sticker back on because I was using like half of it, but it ended up working out. So and then I used the task list. I think it says top 3 or top tasks or something like that. I put that in the sidebar, and I love the quote, "Happy mama, happy life." So I put that on Wednesday. Wednesday's honestly the smallest day as far as plans, so I knew I could at least use that on that day. And on Monday, we went to me and some friends with our daughters. We went to the library story time. It was so adorable at our local library. There was a ton of kids, which was crazy. I just didn't imagine that for a Monday morning, but it was really nice. So I put down this cute box sticker and then it says time with friends. So put that down for Monday. Honestly, I didn't really end up using too many stickers during this pre-planning process because I knew there's going to be so much that I need to write down. I didn't want to thicken up the space yet. So, I mean, 9 times out of 10, that's what I end up doing anyways, is after the fact, then I go in and I fill it all up. I like it to be no white space. I like everything to be completely filled with either writing and or stickers. So, we will see how it ends up once everything is all filled in, but I'm really happy with the way that it turned out. I really like all the greens and oranges and peaches, peach colors, stuff like that. So let me know what y'all think in the comments down below. I know I haven't been uploading here for y'all very much, but make sure you're following me on Instagram. I do post a lot more on there, especially the after the pen. So I will talk to you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.